Hello everybody, how are you? I am Hamad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: in a toy manufacturing factory, the employees are stationed along the assembly line. As a toy moves along the assembly line, each employee stationed there adds a particular part of the toy. The toy factory has a layout. Option A process, option B cellular, option C fixed input, option D product, option E distributed. The correct answer of the question option A. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.